We got some rims, we got some lowering springs, we got a few other little miscellaneous items that we got to put on. We got a front bumper that should be here today as well. I'm not sure if he's gonna want me to paint it. I think he was saying just install the front bumper and install the hood, and he's gonna come back and get it painted later. But I think, if I'm not mistaken, I can't really remember, I think this is a carbon fiber hood, so I think the only thing that he needed painted was the front bumper, if I remember correctly. But he said he's gonna come back later on to get the front bumper painted. But so he's on his way up here to drop the car off, so I will have that little bit of information for you guys in the next clip if he wants me to paint the bumper now. But we are going to be installing these wheels. We're going to be installing these lowering springs. We got this spoiler that's going to be right here that's going to be installed. So, and we're going to be tinting the windows. So that's what we got going on. So once the car get here, I give you guys a walk around, and we'll get it up on the lift, and we're going to first start off with lowering it and putting this spoiler on, and we should probably get majority of everything done today. Get the hood on, and yeah, should be able to get the lowering kit on, the wheels on, the spoiler on, and the hood. And then if he wants to get it painted, I won't be able to paint the bumper until tomorrow, because we're in the process of already got a car in the booth. So then he'll be ready to pick up on Saturday. So, all right, YouTube, once the car get here, I give you guys a walk around. Once the bumper get here, I give you guys a walk around on that, and then we'll get to pulling it in and getting started on it. So see y'all in the next clip. All right, YouTube, the customer just dropped the car off. So he did add to paint the bumper, so we are going to be painting the bumper. So he added some other stuff too, so the car will be ready. It is, I think today is November the 5th, Thursday. He'll be picking it up either Saturday or Monday. So just giving you guys a walk around. He's also ordered some long tube headers, so he'll be bringing it back to do that install also. But on this one, we're just going to do the bumper, the hood, the lowering springs, the rims and tires, the spoiler, and the window tint. So, all right, finna go ahead and pull it around, and we're going to put it on the lift. We're going to start dropping this thing low. So, see y'all in the next clip. What's going on, YouTube? We back on the Camaro. I know you guys gonna be like, damn, man, he already got the wheels on. He already got the hood on. I went live, man. I was actually live for about an hour and a half when we did the work to this car. So if you guys missed it, I'm sorry. I'm gonna try to do more live videos, but I deleted it because I really wanted to edit this into the video. But I came up with the idea that I could have used the footage from the live to edit into this video, but I've already deleted it. So more than likely, that's probably what I'm going to start doing. If I do a live video of something that we're working on that I'm also recording for, I'm just going to delete the live, save the live, and edit it into the video, just so for the people who couldn't tune in or didn't see that I was live. So anyway, bring you guys up to date. We got the lowering springs on. We test fitted the front bumper. We got the hood on, carbon fiber hood. So the only thing left now is we got to install the hood pins. We got to paint the front bumper, and he's got side skirts. I think it's called a wicket, something. I might be saying it wrong, but I think it's a wicket spoiler and wicket side skirts. I think that's it. We got to install those, so that's the reason why it's on the lift. Then we're going to do the window tint, and then it'll be back to the customer. So yeah, that's it, man. So once we get it up in the air and get it on the lift and start dealing with the spoiler and the side skirts, man, we'll start back recording. So see y'all in the next clip. Got the side skirts on. Look like it's finna fly, don't it? What'd you say, Boots? Look like it's finna fly.
Take flight.
It's gonna take flight.
Top flight.
Now we finna put the spoil on. Huh? That I don't know. Going on YouTube, man. We in the Camaro, and we just put all the new suspension and stuff on. And well, we done with the car. We just got to get the windows tinted. But I wanted to test drive the car and make sure all the suspension was right and it wasn't swaying or shaking or sound like the car's finna fall apart. So I haven't test drove the car, so that's what we're going to do now. I'm going to go get my GoPro, and I'm going to put it on the car. And we got to stop at the gas station. I got to put a little bit of gas in it, and we're going to test drive it and go from there. So, and it's a stick shift, boy. Yes, up. Gotta hit that line. I'm sorry. I love sticks. I love sticks. So, all right. So, all right, YouTube. I'm finna go ahead and get my GoPro, and we're gonna set it up, and then we'll be driving this thing. We're gonna come back, tint the windows, and get it detailed and washed up and picked up, and the customer will pick it up. So, see y'all in a minute.
shit. This just got.
All right, YouTube, done with the Camaro. We got the Lawrence Springs on. We got the Wicked rear spoiler. We got the Wicked side skirts. Along with the blacked out wheels. I think these are ZR1 wheels. Got the front bumper on, it's painted and installed. Along with the carbon fiber hood. So right now just waiting on my window tint guy to get here to tint it. Then it'll be detailed and the customer will be ready to pick up. So alright, I'll give you guys another walk around after the tint and after the detail. See y'all in a minute. Alright, we're done with the Camaro. The customer wants to wash it up himself. So he said he want to come get it. He wants to wash it up himself. I guess he want to spend his own time on his own car, which is cool. A lot of people are like that. So we just finished up the tint. Did 15% all the way around. So now we're just waiting on him to come up here. He's a YouTube subscriber too. That's where he found me, off YouTube. So alright, YouTube, see y'all later.
Yeah. Go out this way. But you might want to bag that on out, bro.
Want me to back up?
You might want to. You know that big ass dip over there. You know it's there. He don't know. We know that no treacherous. That hoe ain't no joke.
I did see that dog hanging low too.
Yeah.
I went over to the hunt one day.
Another satisfied customer.